Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I shall be showing you a tutorial. This tutorial is a continuation of how to make a counter in PowerPoint. So please watch that video first before watching this. In this video, I shall be showing you how to have multiple counters in PowerPoint. So I shall insert a smart art. So go to insert, select smart art and select the one which you would like to use. I'll be choosing this one. Okay, so first what I shall be doing is select the rectangle shape which contains the image icon. Select all the three of them by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. Change its color to white. Okay, now choose a rectangular shape and place it over here. Now copy paste it. Copy paste it once more. Okay, now select the first box and type +2 in it. The second box +1 and in the third box -1. These represent the number which I shall be using. If you press on +2, the counter should increase by 2. And if you press +1, the counter should increase by 1. And if you press -1, the counter should decrease by 1. You can choose whatever number you want, or you can even have additional numbers. Okay, now select these three boxes by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard. Copy paste them. Copy paste them again. Now choose another rectangular box and place it over here. You may change the color if you want to and type reset. Okay, now copy paste this. Okay, now we need to make a master reset exit button. Alright, so choose a shape and place it over here. So what happens is if you click on this, so all the counters should be resetted to 0 and you should exit the PowerPoint show. Okay, and type in it exit. Now go to developer tab and add a label. Just draw it over here. Okay, now go to properties. As you can see, the name of this label is label 1. That's not a problem. Now go to caption and change it to 0. If you click on the font, you can change the font and also its size. Click on these 3 dots. I'll just increase the size a bit. Okay, now in text alignment, I shall make it center. Okay. Now copy paste these. Okay, so this is label 1, this is label 2 and this is label 3. Okay, now we need to type our code. So in developer tab, select view code. So now let us start typing our code. So after I complete typing the code, I shall explain it to you. So I shall be fast forwarding it a bit. Okay, so now we have completed typing our code. So in the first code, it says label 1 +2. So any shape which contains this code, on click of it, it should increase label 1's caption by 2 points. So now you must have the basic idea of it. Label 1 +1, label 1 -1, label 1 reset. So in label 1 reset, what it should do is the caption of label 1 should become 0. So the same format is followed. Instead of label 1, I have changed it to label 2. And in the last, reset and exit. On press of that button, all the 3 labels caption has to become 0 and you have to exit the PowerPoint presentation, which is okay. So active presentation.slideshow window.view.exit. So if you click on the button which contains this macro, you should exit the PowerPoint show. Alright, so now exit the Visual Basic application, and it is time to add the code. This is label 1, label 2, label 3. Okay, so select your label 1 plus 2, go to insert plus action. All the action should be inserted over mouse click. Okay, now run macro. Slide 1 label 1 plus 2. So slide 1 label 1 plus 1 now. And now it will be label 1 minus 1. If you want to change the numbers here, like for example in label 1 I have plus 2. Instead of plus 2, if you want to have plus 5 in the code, just change it here. The plus 2, plus 1 and minus 1. These represent the numbers. So if you want to have plus 5, just change the plus 2 to plus 5. And you can change the name of the code to plus 5 also. Okay, now select the label 1's reset button. Go to insert and add the action. Macro, slide 1, label 1 reset. Label 2 reset. And label 3 reset. Now select your master reset button. Now click on action and in line macro select slide 1 reset and exit. Okay, so that's it. It's as simple as that. That's how you make a counter. Now let us test it. Click on slideshow. Okay, it looks good. Now for example, I want to give plus 2 to the first team. So I plus 2. 2 points. Now plus 1 to team 2 and minus 1 to team 3. Now I want to give minus 1 to team 1, plus 2 here and plus 2 in team 3. So as you can see, the counter works perfectly. There isn't any bugs. Just press the reset button. It becomes 0. As 0. And it works properly. Now click on the exit button. All the 3 labels should become 0. It has become 0. So the counter works perfectly. Now let us save our PowerPoint presentation show. Now I shall be saving it in a format which can be edited in future. So file, save as. I shall be saving it in my desktop. So file name shall be team counter. And instead of PowerPoint presentation, this is very important. If you do not save it as PowerPoint macro enabled presentation, your counter will not work. So save it as PowerPoint macro enabled presentation and save it. So in the future, this can be edited. Now go to file, click on save as again and choose a folder. And instead of PowerPoint macro enabled presentation, select PowerPoint macro enabled show. So what happens is, so if you open a PowerPoint macro enabled show, it directly opens in the slideshow mode. Okay, so it removes the chance of editing by mistake. Okay, so save it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please press the like button and please subscribe to me. And if you have any doubts, please leave a comment below. The download file for this tutorial and the codes are in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.